I hope you're having a great day. Today I'm working on a 16 by 20, had to think a minute, 16 by 20 canvas, and I have got my favorite cup out of all of my cups. This is my favorite. It's just the 10-ounce open cup, so that's what I'll be using. I've got, of course, all the other cups, the split, the triple, and the quad, but this is the one that I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to be doing a cloud pour, one of my favorites to do as well. And I'll go over the colors with you. This first one here is yellow. I've got two yellows that I've mixed together. The Fine Touch Yellow Medium, and then, oh, I'll flip it around here. Golden, this is Hansa Yellow Opaque. I mixed those two together. And then I've got this orangey looking one today as well. And I've got it here. Let's see. There we go. That one is from Liquitex Basics, and it's Cadmium Light Red Hue. Let's see. This one is a really pretty red. It's from Grumbacher. It's Alizarin Crimson, and I don't have the tube. I'm not sure where it is. I can't find it. So Grumbacher is that one. The next one is a really, really pretty blue. It is from Amsterdam, and that one is Prussian blue. That's a super pretty blue. I'm going to show it to you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but that is really, really super pretty. So I like that one. And then I've got a pretty teal here, and this one is from the Fine Touch, and it's just called Teal. All right, so I'm going to be adding my cloud mix. You can see the consistency of it there. And I did a cloud mix, kiss pour with Cloud Effect a few videos back. And I just had mixed it in a red solo cup. You can see my markings here, but I went ahead and figured it out. Hopefully, I've got it figured out right for you guys. So I wrote it down so I can remember. So for my cloud mix, let's see, I am starting out, I'll be using 2 parts of the Behr Satin Enamel Ultra Pure White, and then it's paint and primer in one. So 2 parts of this, to 1 part of the Vallejo Pearl Medium, and then 1.5 to 2 parts of Floetrol, and I don't know where my Floetrol bottle is, but 1.5 to 2 parts of that, and then a squirt, a pretty generous size squirt of the Golden GAC800, and then a little bit of water to consistency. I didn't really measure. I think when I used my cup, it was like 3 capfuls of water, and it's like, you know, like a water jug, this cap, you know, size of water. So it was less than that, just for that smaller, you know, that's whatever, depending on the part that you use, it's going to be a little bit different water. So start out with like 1 cap and then go from there. And then again, it's, you can see the consistency that I've got there. All right, so that is that. I think I've got everything ready. Move all this back, and we'll get started. Put my gloves on and we'll get going. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna start here with the teal in the bottom first, and I flipped my cup around. You can see that I'm pouring down the spout side. That's because that's the way I want my colors to come out when I am pouring. So, and I did take some of my cloud mix and put it in a cup because I was afraid I was going to make a mess with that big container there. So we'll put a little bit of cloud mix here. And all of these paints, I guess I forgot to tell y'all, these paints are all mixed with my regular pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol and water, and it is 50% Liquitex, 40% Floetrol, and 10% water. So hopefully that will help you guys. And for those of you that are new to my channel, I really do hope that I can, if you're not subscribed, that hopefully I can earn your subscription today. Hopefully maybe I can, you can learn something, you see something that you like. And if you do, then you'll just hit that subscribe button. It doesn't cost anything, it's free, and it really does help out my channel. And those of you that are already subscribed and are watching another of my videos, I do really, really appreciate it. Another way for you guys, if you're wanting to help me out, something that will really help me out is, besides the, the traditional liking, sharing, or subscribing, sharing is really, really a good way to help someone with a YouTube channel out. So I do really appreciate if you do that. You can share it on your social media sites, on your Facebook, anywhere. It's really, really helpful. And all of us that do YouTube videos really, really appreciate when you do that. So again, if you want to help me out, that is greatly appreciated. All right, guys, so I'm just going to continue to fill this cup here. Also really, really quick, before I kind of be quiet and then you guys can just watch this. If you don't know, and again, if you're new to my channel, or even if you're not, but you don't know, I have a Facebook group, and it is called Acrylic Pouring with Friends. Same name as my channel. It's super easy to remember. And there's so many good artists on there, super helpful for those of you that are new. Even for those of us that have been doing it for a while, still learn from, each other. So if there's a question or anything, somebody is, if I can't get to every single post, there's somebody there that will help you. So again, go ahead and check that out, Acrylic Pouring with Friends Facebook group. Getting pretty big. It's got like over 18,000 members now. I am super happy about that, and it's a fun group. So if you haven't joined already, go check it out. All right, guys, I'm going to put one more little bit of cloud mix here, and then I'm just going to finish topping that off. Yeah, there's a little notch in the bottom of that right before the spout. That usually will tell you that's where the 10 ounce is. So that's where I usually stop. It was made that way on purpose. All right.
All right, everybody, here we go with the dried photos, and I love it. I think it turned out amazing. It looks like after the storm, like the dark clouds are clearing. Oh my God, I think it looks gorgeous. I am loving this new cloud effect mix with the Vallejo Pearl Medium. Those clouds are so poofy, and then I've got some little pearl cells all around as well. So let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe to my channel, and also if you're new, hit that notification bell. That way you're notified when I upload new videos. And also share this video if there's someone that you think may enjoy it as well. And don't forget, I do have links in my description. My Etsy shop link is there. I've got Amazon, BLICK, a couple of other links, Color Hype, paint links. So go ahead and check that out. And I've got a bunch more videos I know you will enjoy, and I'll catch you in the next one.